Ever wonder if your passion for wellness could become something more? Every day, people just like you are sharing products they already love and earning money with doTERRA in the process. So whether you want extra income or you're ready to grow a thriving business, the path is here. As the world's leading essential oil company, doTERRA is revolutionizing wellness, empowering entrepreneurs, and cultivating communities across the globe. Our compensation plan is one of the most generous out there, and because our incredible wellness solutions powered by essential oils keep customers coming back, we also have one of the highest reorder rates in the industry. That means consistent rewards and meaningful growth that's built on delivering real impact. From our cherished farming and growing partners, through to quality products, to real rewards and benefits for sharing. If you haven't experienced doTERRA's products already, give them a try and you'll quickly see why they are so loved and respected around the world. So let's dive into the compensation plan and see how rewarding earning with doTERRA can be. With doTERRA, you get to choose how you want to experience our products and benefits. If you just want to try the products, as a retail customer, you buy at full price with no membership required. Simple as that. Wholesale customers enjoy 25% off products, plus access to our exclusive monthly rewards program, where you earn points for free products. It's the perfect way to save and build your wellness routine. Now, becoming a wellness advocate is where you unlock the opportunity to earn commissions and bonuses by sharing doTERRA products with others. Wellness advocates are paid based on the sales volume in their doTERRA business. These sales can come from all over the world as your business grows. Since currency varies from country to country, each product has a product volume, or PV, which makes it easy to track volume and earnings. One of the easiest ways to make sure you're qualified to earn is to take advantage of the rewards program. And of course, you'll want to get first-hand experience with the amazing products you'll be recommending. Placing a monthly order of at least 100 PV is one of the first steps to help you towards achieving the multiple commissions and bonuses we'll talk about. With a variety of ways to earn, designed to fit your goals and lifestyle, let's walk through each option step by step. Retail. As a wellness advocate, you can promote and sell doTERRA products at the full retail price. When you sell at retail, you earn the difference between the retail and wholesale price. That's a 25% profit. It's a simple way to start earning, but the big rewards come with the commissions and bonuses we're about to explore. Fast Start is paid weekly to get cash in your pocket right away as a wellness advocate. With every new customer you bring into your doTERRA team, you can earn 20% commission on all qualifying product orders they place in their first 60 days. For example, let's say you sign up your friend Anna with an initial order of 200 PV. You earn 20% of the PV from that order in cash commissions. And you'll earn that same 20% on all of Anna's qualifying orders during her first 60 days. As Anna gets excited about doTERRA products, she'll naturally want to share them with her friends and family. As a wellness advocate, anyone Anna introduces to doTERRA who also buys the products earns Anna her own 20% commission. And you get a 10% commission on orders that come from her customers. You can also receive 5% on the next level as well. This awesome ripple effect rewards you for directly and even indirectly helping others. Fast Start is all about quick wins. In a minute, we'll discuss the increased earning potential after your customer's first 60 days. The Power of 3 bonus is paid monthly and encourages you to focus on building teams in a way that supports everyone's growth and nurtures new and existing customers. Here's how it works. Every month, you can earn a Power of 3 bonus by creating and supporting simple sales structures called pods. A pod is made up of 500 PV or more in rewards orders from the people on your first level. Your business is organized into levels. The people on your first level may have signed up directly with you, or they could have been placed there by someone else, like the person who first introduced you to doTERRA. As your business grows, you and other wellness advocates can add people to different levels within your team, which can be a huge advantage. We'll get into that in a minute. But for now, let's focus on pods. Each month you reach 500 PV or more in rewards orders on your first level. But that's just the beginning. Level up by helping 3 wellness advocates on your first level to build their own 500 PV pods, and you get paid the next bonus. Help those 3 people, and you get paid the next bonus. That's the power of duplication, educating and supporting your team members to do what you're doing. And remember, doTERRA's everyday products are powering your business. They work so well, people love to reorder. Those reorders help this bonus get paid month after month. The Power of 3 Boost takes this bonus one step further with personal growth volume. PGV is the total rewards orders in the current month from customers you've personally signed up within the previous 12 months. These are the automatic monthly reorders. doTERRA celebrates those who take care of their customers. So when they reorder, it not only benefits them, but it gives you an extra bonus too. When you reach 400 PGV, you boost your Power of 3 earnings and it goes up from there. With the Power of 3 bonus and boost, you know what you can count on each month based on your consistent efforts to build a team that's active and engaged. And don't worry, doTERRA provides all kinds of tools to help you track and optimize your business. You'll love seeing it grow over time. Now, remember how Fast Start pays you on the first 60 days of your customers' orders? Unilevel launches from there. This is the heart of your lasting growing business. Unilevel pays you a percentage on the total sales volume from each level. As your customer base grows, this monthly commission has unlimited growth potential. One of the most unique and competitive features of doTERRA's Unilevel is that you get paid a higher commission percentage on deeper levels. And down here is where most of your team's volume builds up over time. What's so great about this is that if you're consistently working to duplicate successful strategies in your team, this growth can be the result of many people's efforts. As you achieve ranks in doTERRA, you unlock levels of Unilevel commission. So what's a rank? Wellness advocates achieve ranks based on their sales volume and team. It reflects how much product is sold in their organization and how many wellness advocates they help grow. Let's take a look at silver. To qualify, you need 3 separate teams of at least 3,000 in organizational sales volume. If you meet these requirements in a given month, you're eligible to earn up to 7 levels of Unilevel commission. As your organization continues to grow over time, you keep deeper levels unlocked, and your earnings can achieve lasting growth. It's the beauty of working with a network that multiplies everyone's efforts. Finally, Pools rewards you for leadership and commitment. You can be eligible to receive a bonus based on doTERRA's worldwide success. The company sets aside 8% of global sales volume to reward the ranks of Premier to Presidential Diamond that meet certain business growth targets each month. Each of the 6 pools is 1% to 2% of monthly global sales volume. Depending on the rank and growth targets you meet, you can qualify for various shares from different pools. These global sales are shared by all the wellness advocates who qualify each month. Since these pools are based on the company's global growth, you're literally earning alongside the most committed wellness advocates around the world. In short, the more you grow and help others succeed, the more you earn. Not just from your own team, but as part of the entire doTERRA family. So that's the compensation plan. Income with an impact. With multiple ways to earn, there's something for everyone, whether you want to start slow or you're ready to go all in. The question isn't whether the plan works. The question is, how far will you take it? It's more than numbers. It's about products with real stories and connections, with a real purpose to help the world heal. This is about creating your own version of success on your terms. With doTERRA, you're not just earning income. You're opening the door to new experiences, friendships, and a life filled with purpose, growth, and flexibility. Ready to get started?